Hi, this is Stormchaser here, and today I'll be opening the October member box. So right here, and this is all the stuff. So open my box, and we have an outfit, a big cat mask. We have 10 candy corn. We have a morph marble and a piece of cake. Okay. So the 10 candy corn can be used in the in Lamplight Town, and so the hat. So this is the big cat mask. And then here's the camouflage outfit. And then there was the 10 candy corns and a morph marble. Let's use that. And then there's a piece of cake, which you can just access right here. Right here, and it heals 70% of your heart. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more future videos like this. And bye!